Hi everyone. Today we're going to change the air filter of the W212 Mercedes-Benz 2011 E350. To change air filter is actually quite easy. All you have to do is lift this panel back here, unclip that. These, just pull on them, pull back on these guys. And you can lift this entire thing out. Just remove air box screws. It's a little dirty inside. You can wipe it down, brush it down. It's not too bad. But, you know, take out all the debris that you can. Goes back in. The rubber side or the side with the seal faces will go in contact here. So I just want to check to make sure that it is in correctly. Just take your time. No need to hurry, damage anything. I'm just going to use very low torque. It doesn't need to be super tight. since you have it off, well, you might as well just go ahead and remove all the debris and try to clean it out. It's not a bad idea. So let me inspect this one, make sure it's good. Look into the light, make sure there are no holes or anything. So the other one I already checked. It goes in like that, and then goes back in. Just line up. And you should be careful when using power tools because you lose the feeling. It's very convenient. So torque it in slowly. And by the way, these are not your regular Phillips screws. These are torque screws. It's a torque 25. So that's it. We're actually done. And just put it back the way you have pulled it off. So the only thing you gotta line up here is, here's a hole here. Gotta watch for that. Here's the back hole. So this is the area where the interface and goes into your throttle. And this is where you got to line up. And there's a ring here, you just pull back, pull it toward you so that it locks into place. And the hole earlier is for this small pump. And you put this back. Just stick it back. So this one should be relatively easy. And over time they come apart. But that's it. over time this is worn out, so it doesn't really stick to this. That's okay. It's not so important that you need to have a solid seal of your air filters in here. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Okay, thank you very much, and that's it. It only took about 10 minutes ish or less if you're quick.